Hey, what is up guys? Alex here. Have the Orbi 6 Wi-Fi streamer. This is just a very quick review on this Wi-Fi streamer. I'm going to be testing out the bandwidth, the internet speeds that this things have. But yeah, definitely just gonna be a quick little review. But yeah, further ado, let's get on into the video. I guess so. First things first about this Orbi 6. The bandwidth on this Orbi 6 is Orbi 6 is 2.4 gigahertz. It also goes up to 5 gigahertz, but you have to interchange it. It has 6 antennas inside the system. It can go up to 5,000 feet or square feet in your house. So definitely where I live, definitely takes up. I have 2. But yeah, definitely a lot of space this Orbi 6 has. So definitely I'll be doing some tests. The old version of the Orbi 6 is definitely slower. If you connect this to your PC LAN, it's definitely going to be a little bit slower than wirelessly. But yeah, definitely just not that big of a change from wired to wirelessly on PC. Definitely had a big change from the old version, and this is the new version. Definitely is faster when I'm watching 4K movies. It definitely renders them at the highest quality that it can possibly go. Everybody else in the house using their technology. So definitely, I do recommend picking this Orbi 6 up. Another specs of this Orbi 6 is that this Orbi 6 can also 866 megabytes per second of internet speed. I am not sure about that. It only has 866 megabytes per second. It has satellites inside of it, as I said before. The antennas inside, so just a definitely neat little package. You don't have to have all these antennas taking up space in your shelf or wherever you need your router, pretty much. So the ports, it has 4 Ethernet ports right here on the back. I want to show you guys right there. It has 4 Ethernet points right here on the back. It has a sync button right here on the side. It also has a power button and then a reset little dot that you need a toothpick to poke inside of it, so it can reset the Wi-Fi instead of just plugging it out, because then that will also damage the Wi-Fi. Definitely I'll be, again, as I said, installing it for you guys, and as well as testing the speed of it, like my dad did. I'm also going to be testing the speed. But yeah, let me go on into the speed test and just show you guys how fast this internet is. But yeah, let's go on to the speed test. Alright guys, here we go. I am starting off this speed test with the app that comes with the what is it called? That comes with the Orbi 6. Yeah, I'm using the home app. This is how you test your speed. I'm getting speeds of 887 up to basically 900 with the app. I will be testing it with another app to see the difference. So you guys can hear the download is 888 and the upload is 996. Now let's go on to the speed test. Well, another speed test app. So here we are. So here, as you can see, this is like the one everybody uses, and I do use Plex. Here's like it does get lower. I am doing this without Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi wirelessly. So on the app it goes up to 800. On another app it stays up about 200 to 157. That around that range you can hear here, 148 to 208. But I'm also, instead of trying it also on mobile, I'm also going to try it on PC with the LAN cable. And also want to mention that I do use Plex, and Plex is just basically a movie streaming service, and they have 4K movies. And when I use this router to render those movies, or that quality of those movies didn't buffer whatsoever. And it also depends on how many devices you have connected. Here on my computer, you guys can see that I have a LAN connected with the LAN cable, and it goes up to 800, same as the app. I don't know why on the app speed test on mobile it only says up to 200 to 207. But yeah, again, as I said, I use Plex movies, and those movies do render in 4K. And then with my old router, the movies would have to, they would buffer a lot of the time. They would really buffer. So This router, you don't really buffer. We have around 7 devices connected at one time, including my computer, my phone, my brother's phone, the PS4, the Xbox One. So we have a lot of devices connected at the same time, and with this router, we really don't see any lag whatsoever. Maybe from time to time we see a little bit of a buffering between videos that we're watching or games that we're playing or not. But when we're watching all a movie, then yeah, the thing does not buffer whatsoever. It runs very smoothly, and as you can see right here, I have my computer connected with the LAN, and it goes up to 600 with the download, 681.20 with the download, and then with the upload is about 980, around that range pretty much. But yeah, then again, this is just a test with the speed. With the speed test right here, as you guys can see, I have 4 ping. And there you go, around that range, 600 to basically 800 to 900 range for the upload, and then the download to 600 range, pretty much. But yeah, definitely no buffering with this router. I do definitely recommend it. Again, a very good router, renders 4K movies, and you can have up to like I think 10 devices connected, as I said, and no buffering would happen. So you could throw a party, and basically no buffering would happen. Alright guys, you guys saw that speed test. It went really fast compared to the old one. Definitely a good. It's definitely a change, a faster change. The old one I would feel lag if my dad would be playing a game on his computer, or my mom would be watching a 4K movie, or my brother would be playing on his PS4. I would definitely feel lag. They definitely did feel lag as well. But with this one, you don't feel lag. It has more antennas inside, more Ethernet ports, and now that I have a Ethernet connected to my computer, I don't feel lag as much as I did before, because before I had it wireless. And that's why it took me so long to upload videos, because it would take so long for me to upload the videos and render them from the editing software and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely I'd recommend picking up this Orbi 6. If you have another Orbi, definitely recommend picking this one up. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Leave a like. Tell me if you guys want me to do another comparison with this router and another router, or another speed test pretty much. Yeah, I definitely do recommend picking this up. It has 512 megabytes of RAM. It has a quad core, 700 megahertz I think of speed as well, and it can connect up to 10 people at the same time. But you do have to see the drawbacks of laggage and stuff like that, or buffering when you're watching a video or downloading. But yeah, I know this can think it can go up to 10 people connected at the same time. But yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a like, tell me if you guys want to do a comparison, comment down below, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.